Hello everyone, today I will show you how to expand fillable fields in PDF using Kofax Power PDF. First open your PDF file and click this from option. Here you will find this text field option. Click here and select your text field. And here you will find this text field increase decrease icon. This is also you can move your text field dragging. This is also type another text field. This is and finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.